In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we take scooters on a rainy day from Chiang Mai up to Tong Waterfall, also known as Sticky Waterfall, where Laura channels her inner Spiderwoman. This video is brought to you by our patrons. Thank you so much. We could not do this without you. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a special message from Laura.
We are going, I know we look great in these helmets, right?
You got the purple one.
We are going to Sticky Falls. Apparently there's something in the water that makes the rocks not slick and we can go play around.
Like Spider-Man.
But it's an hour scooter ride. There you go.
Be careful.
I would definitely not drive a scooter around Bangkok, but in the slower paced areas like Chiang Mai, it's totally safe. Well, reasonably safe.
Alright, we pulled over to a market for a rain stop. Getting a little wet out there on the bike, so gonna see if we can find like a little rain poncho or something.
Then we're gonna drive through all the puddles.
Yay! You can find anything you want in these markets. I mean, like, and it was like $2.50 for a rain jacket. It looks pretty nice. I don't know. It's secondhand, obviously, but whatever.
Is this a rain jacket? Rain jacket? No? Umbrella?
So entering the park, you gotta like lock your dog in a cage. Or Maverick and Goose would be awful with that.
Yeah, no, Maverick would be a no-go.
They'd be so scared.
Yeah, you would.
Okay.
Especially next to all the traffic.
There you go.
All right, we made it to the Tong Waterfall, also known as Sticky Falls.
And we're dry and warm.
Yeah, it didn't rain too bad on us, so had to stop and get jackets. These jackets were like 80 baht, so that's like $2.75 each.
What?
Totally score.
Total score.
There's a natural spring on the mountain that pumps out water super rich in minerals that puts down a layer of rock as it flows down the mountain. The concentration of minerals are so rich that it keeps algae from forming, so the rocks are nice and sticky.
It's a beautiful place here. It's kind of a rainforest, all wet and mossy and green. Really, really pretty.
Very confusing with the signs, though.
Yeah,
We could get lost.
we might get lost. Probably. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's like, you can see the surface of the water is kind of coming up, so you see there's like hot water rising and displacing it on the surface. It's really cool looking. That is like crystal clear water, absolutely crystal clear. So we got a locker here. We put all our stuff in a locker, and now we walk down the stairs and then we climb back up the Sticky Falls. I guess it's because of the natural spring over there. There's a chemical that keeps moss and stuff from growing in there.
Yeah.
Well, it's not slippery. It's not like, you know, Spider-Man, like you're climbing up the wall, sticking to stuff. I think it's just not slippery.
That's what I was hoping for, though.
And yeah, no.
I don't think I can go any further. What if they're in the waterfall?
They are, Laura. That's why it's not sticky. Their venom is what kills all the stuff.
Take it slow. Oh my God, they swim in the water. Steve, I don't know if I can do this. I don't like it.
man, it's crazy. I mean, it's not slick at all.
I feel like Spider-Man.
Watch the green. The green. Oh, the green slick. Okay. It's very...
See?
Well, that was pretty cool. I felt like something at a water park or something like that, you know? Like,
I felt like Spiderwoman.
Wet and Wild or whatever it's called these days. But pretty cool.
I'm wet and wild.
Well, it was really interesting, you know, how like, you know, they had...
Different groups of waterfalls.
Well, no, it's the minerals that have put that down, you know what I mean? So it's like the minerals from the water built their own waterfall. Pretty cool.
Uh-oh. Looks like there's water inside my phone, huh? Oh, God. If the next video gets 24,000 likes in 24 hours, I'm gonna do a live chat in a bikini.
And I'll drink a gallon of milk. And I'll drink a gallon of milk in that same hour.
And he hates milk.
And I don't. I think you're supposed to throw up if you do that, so.
Don't spew on me.
I'll try. So if you'd like to see what could possibly go wrong with this, her in a bikini, me throwing up milk, click the like button. If we get 24,000 in the next 24 hours, you get to see it.
Are you gonna wear a bib?
I might have to.